Look what he's doing up there.
Taking a stroll before the snow comes.
Oh, tell me about it.
Yeah.
It's so bad. Wow. Look at the beautiful eyes. Wow, you are a charmer. Such a beauty, huh? And oh, what eyes. Thanks for letting me take a video with this guy. Such a beauty. As closer I come and he look at me. Do you think cats remember us?
I think so.
Yeah. You remember me. Oh, look at it. Inside. That's enough I
They
want.
remember smell.
Huh?
They remember smell.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, so nice. Yeah, it's already feel colder.
Yeah.
The hell with this. I'm tired of that snow. Ha! Lovely. We'll get the last shot of you. My friendly cat. Yeah! There's a lot of bird for you up there. Don't jump in. You will get tangled.
Just waiting to catch one.
Look at the tail of this one. Oh, nice. Yesterday I went to get the pony, and the pony was eating from my hand. I'll show you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, beautiful, you know. And then I met by Dollarama a Vietnamese guy with a beautiful, nice. Wow, I got you now. Why does he eat grass?
Cats love grass.
You like grass?
It's good
Is
for
it?
their digestion as long as
Oh,
they don't
for
eat too much.
Oh, lovely. Especially a green grass.
Yeah. He tries to eat some bad grass and I have to pull him
Yeah,
away.
you have to be careful.
Yeah. Otherwise he'll get sick.
Wow.
But if it's green grass,
Green grass.
it's fine.
And you better grab as soon as possible because we're going to have 10 centimeters of snow. Wow. This must be a veggie, huh?
Anyway, we're out here. Well, maybe not because he's always looking at the birds.
Oh, the bird, yeah.
Yeah.
Smart
He
one.
could catch a bird, I'm sure.
Yeah. Does he catch mouse?
No, but he did catch a bird once.
Oh, what did he do with it? Just ate it?
He was on our balcony and
Okay.
he caught the bird and he wanted to bring it in. But my roommate hit him with a broom.
Oh,
Like tapped
no.
him with a broom until he dropped the bird.
Oh, but the bird was still alive?
Yeah, it flew away.
Oh, thanks
I
God.
hope it's okay, but
Yeah. If you like cats and dogs, you should.
he was very proud of himself, I'm sure.
Yeah, very nice.
I'm sure he would love to do that again.
Come on, show your face. For the last episode. Nice, what a look. The cat. How you doing? A beautiful cat. Bingo, I got you. What a beauty you are. Yes, you are very special. You're moving so much. See, it's windy. It's a very nice autumn day. But she's so beautiful. Wow. There's our friendly cat. My neighbor. Look how beautiful she is. Yes. Look at him. Must be him. I just arrived to my parking lot And look who we meet. Yeah, he know me. This guy never budge. So nice. See, you can come close to him and you'll see him. He come and just walk around. Look how nice is he. Oh, what a whiskey we got. How lovely, look. Wow, Jesse. Look at these eyes. What a beautiful cut. Wow. What eyes you have. Yeah. Go up to see Mayo. Mayo, your buddy. See, he's looking at him.
תכף יעלה, הוא יקפוץ למעלה, שאני אלטף אותו קצת.
Wow. Here we go. Yeah. See? He's climbing all up. Wow. That's my friend, the jewelry guy, Mayor. מדבר עברית, speak Hebrew. See? Mayor is a special guy. Look how nice Mayor look. I know this gentleman for over 40 years. Wow. Look at him. That's the cut of his wife. His name is Jesse. He's quite a cut. Wow, he's a celebrity. Just like me, my jewelry guy. Every time I find a new babes, La Bonita Mujer, Mademoiselle, I go buy some jewelry. Because the women like, look at him. דבר אליו קצת, אה?
לא צריך, הוא לא...
See,
רק ללטף אותו, זה מה שהוא...
Meir is saying in Hebrew, you just need to be pet. Because Meir's wife took off with her grandchildren somewhere else. Meir is all by himself, and the cat is missing. Look at him. What a big cat. He's a lovely cat. Every time I come here, instead to have the cookie and the nice coffee, Meir, see, he make me cookies and coffee, but I have to take my cut. How lovely is this cut? Because when you put cut in my YouTube, people love it. Let's see. How gorgeous is he? See? Very special, this cut. Yeah. Look how nice. Wow. It's like a little Eskimo. This color, huh, Meir?
מה זה?
It's like an Eskimo. The way his color, black, you know, and white. And he like
פינגווין.
like a penguin. Meir is a funny guy like me. He's a joker. Yes, look at him. See, we'll try to see his pat. And you got to speak Russian to him, and Hebrew. Иди сюда! Как дела? Look at him. Как дела is mean in Russian. How are you? Oh, what a beauty. I think I got you. I just need another one with your face. Jesse, look at Arone. You, nice. Put your head again. Look how he like to go on male tummy. Nice, thank you. You think he recognized me? I don't know, huh? He's so glorious. Wow. I love this cat. Wow, look at him. What
He wants.
Oh yeah, you know, we have to follow him. Yeah.